Hey guys, Ellie Mix is back, and right now it is Christmas season. That means that you make ornaments, hang them up, buy presents, wrap presents, open your advent calendar every day, and go to parties. Also, bake, and look at my shirt. So today we are going to be making some miniature brownies with little strawberry Santa hats on top of them. So I just quickly whipped up some brownie box mix, and I got the dark chocolate fudge brownie mix, but on the back of it has the option to make cake-like brownies. So I did the cake-like brownie version, not the fudgy brownies. I added in the box mix, and then 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of water, and then 1/3 cup of oil, and mixed it all up. Right now I have my oven set to 320 degrees, and then I have 2 mini muffin tins greased with butter. You can also spray it with vegetable oil if you want to. Now this recipe makes 4 dozen brownies. I only have 2 dozen muffin tins, so I'm gonna have to do this twice. So I'm just going to pour it evenly into each little muffin tin. So I got this scooped into these 2 mini muffin pans, and I'm going to stick them into the 325 degree oven for 14 minutes. And I'll get back to you when they come out. So the timer just went out and these smell so good, I'm going to take them out of the oven. 1 and 2. So you're going to take a mini tart shaper and you're just going to press it down flat as soon as it comes out of the oven. You want to do this really quick so that it doesn't like harden or anything. So I put my brownies on a cooling rack while my other mini brownies are baking in the oven. So right now I'm going to start on my frosting. So I have this white chocolate bar, and I'm just going to open this up. So I'm going to put 1 ounce of white chocolate in here, which for me is going to be 4 squares of chocolate. And I'm going to take some milk, 2 tablespoons. 1, very careful with this part. 2. I'm going to put this in the microwave on high for 1 minute. Right now I have to stir it until smooth. So I'm going to put 8 ounces of cream cheese in a bowl, which is just 1 package. And then I'm going to put 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, or you can call it confectionery sugar, whatever you want. I'm going to put that in, and then I'm going to mix this until it's combined. So now I'm going to take my white chocolate and milk mixture, now that it's out of the microwave. I'm going to let that cool slightly, and now since it's cooled slightly, I'm going to put it into my cream cheese mixture, and I'm going to fold this in until it's all combined well. And I'm going to put this 1 cup of Cool Whip into my frosting mixture. I'll try to get this out. So right now I'm cutting these strawberries to make the little Santa hats, and I'm only cutting off the green tip so that I have these little flat bottoms on them, so we can stick them on top of the little muffins and make that the red part of the Santa hat. So I have this piping bag with a star tip at the end, and I'm going to take this big cup and I'm going to stick this piping bag in here, open it up, and then I'm going to put this like a garbage bag. Now I'm going to take my frosting and I'm going to put it inside here. You want to try to get it mostly all on the bottom because that's where you want it. Okay, now I'm going to lift up these sides and curl them. Now that I got that, I'm just going to pick this up, push it down so it gets all the way to the bottom. Now twist the top, and now you have perfectly filling bag. Okay, so now I'm going to pipe a little bit of frosting on here. I'm gonna go around here. And then I'm gonna take a little strawberry. I'm gonna stick that on and push it down. And now that fluff is gonna come out. And then we put a little dollop here on top of the strawberry for a little cotton ball on top. And now I have like a little Santa hat. It's so cute. And these are perfect for bringing to Christmas parties, and they're should be delicious. And now for an extra little touch, if you want to, this is optional, you can take some powdered sugar and a little sifter and make the snow on top of Santa's hat, because when he goes in the snow, his hat gets snowy. So you can add like a little bit of snow on there to make it look like he was just going through the snow. And I'm just gonna try this. The brownie's good, and with the strawberry and the frosting, it's perfect. Well, that's it for me. Now it's your turn. Your turn.